Please give Gavli Hiroki a loud round of applause for her amazing, amazing P1 speech. Okay, so I'm going to start off with what I loved in your speech, and then I'm going to give you a few points of improvement, Gavli Hiroki. So I loved your speech title, A Blooming Flower, which accurately represents what you are. And I love the way you started your speech. So it was when you were born, and then you slowly moved into your body and your conclusion, and your body was very well packed. That's the sort of content that we would expect a P1 speech to have. So you addressed a lot of points like yourself, the fact that you had no siblings, your parents, your dislikes and your likes, and all of that. So good job in writing your speech. It was very well done. And moving on, I loved your confidence and how well prepared you were. So you couldn't really say that your P1 speeches, you used no notes, which is a very good thing, because as a P1 speaker, I use notes too, and I'm sure many of us did, but you used no notes, which shows that you had sort of memorized your speech and you were well prepared. So good job on that. And also you were pretty expressive, like your face, it said a lot, and I found that really cute and appealing. Also, you included a lot of elements that was not expected to be in a P1 speech, like you used a quote, and then you actually related your speech to the theme of the meeting, which is regarding a smile, and I love how you brought that in. Also, you addressed the audience, so it was like, dear Gaviliers, and that's a good thing to do, because then you are sort of attracting all the attention to yourself. Yeah, and you were time qualified, so you were within 4 to 6 minutes. That's a good job on that too. And I'm assuming you're in 4th or the 5th grade, and your language, Hiroki, it was exemplary. So when I was in grade 4 or 5, I did not have such language, so good job on that. Now, moving on to your improvements. So there was one teeny tiny spot where you sort of stuttered, but that's okay. You can improve it. It'll come with your future speeches. The more you practice, the better you get at it. And also, I loved your voice clarity and how audible you were. But I would suggest you to sort of change your tone here and there. So at times, use a high-pitched tone, and at times, lower it down a bit. So change your tone here and there. And also transition. So in some places you could use a bit of pauses, and you could also use transition words, rather than abruptly moving from points here and there. So yes, that's all. But all in all, your speech was very good. Good job. I would love to hear your future speeches. Thank you very much.